Bonjour, today I'm going to teach you how to do a scrambled eggs or œuf brouillé in French. Like that, if you travel to France, you just ask for œuf brouillé and you're going to have it. But first, I'm Olivier. I'm a professional chef in UK and in France as well. And I'm here to teach you all the recipe we do in restaurant at the easy way, like that you can reproduce the recipe at home for your family or your friends. But first, to do scrambled eggs, you need saucepan, wooden spoon, some recipient to put your eggs, some butter, or the butter need to be not very hard, soft. Some eggs, obviously, salt, pepper, and salt. And that is. So very cheap, very easy. Follow me till the end, and you're going to have a perfect scrambled egg. So first, we're going to start to put the eggs inside the bowl. For that, I use a small recipient to check if my eggs is still good or not. Because if you put straight away to those one, I already put two there. If you put the wrong one inside the good one, you need to throw away everything in the bin, because this one is not good. But by doing one by one, like that, you're sure you put it good eggs each time. And you don't waste all the other one. Because imagine in restaurant, we have not 4 eggs, we have maybe 10, 20 eggs in the bowl. So if your last one is a bad one, you need to throw away everything. So like that. And you're going to notice straight away if it's bad, because you're going to smell a lot. And voila. So you put your 4 eggs here. After, with your fork, you just mix all together, like that. That's it, don't need more. You can add some salt, some pepper, and another quick mix, and that is done. You can leave there. So, scrambled eggs doesn't like to be cooked very quick. You need to be gentle with them, starting with slow temperature. So I'm going to put my temperature very slow to start with, and I'm going to add a piece of butter. Just need to make the butter gentler. Maybe it's already too strong. You don't want to burn your butter. So when the butter is melt, put your egg inside, all in one go, like that. So that we don't need that anymore. And you're starting to turn, to mix all together, from the center to the border. Because center is going to cook first, border last. So you bring the cook on the side. And very gentle. Center to border. And sometimes you can bring all together. Center. And your egg starting to be scrambled. On the side. And center to, you push. You can even do like that. You can push like that. Like a cross. You do a cross? Yes, easy way. You do a cross. After you do a 0. 0. And a cross. A cross. And 0. I put in very low temperature. Don't forget. They need scrambled eggs need love. Doesn't like to be cooked very quick. It's a slow cook, but easy cook. It's easy. You do your cross, and you do your 0. like that. So you need to carry on to do the cross and the zero till you arrive to the consistency you like it. Some people like it very hard, some people like it with running, still running, so you stop as you like it. But when the eggs will be arrived to the consistency you like it, we need to add some butter to stop them to cook it outside the fire. So I'm going to carry on to do my cross and my zero in my pan, and after I'm going to show you. So as you can see, it's almost there now. So I did my cross and my zero, and carry on. And as soon as I'm going to reach the consistency I want for my scrambled eggs, I'm going to remove it from the fire. And when I'm going to remove it from the fire, I'm going to remove it now. This is my consistency. And I'm going to add my butter. So see, the butter is very soft. You can have half butter and half cream as well. And now you have your perfect scrambled eggs. And believe me, they are delicious. So it's up to you. You can have half butter or with cream. So just a little bit of cream, little bit of butter, or all butter. The trick is to stop them to cook. So you need to cool down them a little bit. And you have your perfect scrambled eggs. So I have a plate with 2 pieces of bread inside. And I'm going to serve them. Lovely. I really like that. It's not hard and they are still a little bit liquid. Voila. And what you can do, you can add a little bit of persil. And you have your perfect scrambled eggs, or œufs brouillés in French. So if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, click it, subscribe, ring the bell, any comment is below as well. And if you need help for one of your recipes, leave me a comment with the name of the recipe you struggle with, and I will do a video for you to explain you step by step how to succeed this recipe. Like that, you can do it for your friend and your family. So, bon appétit et au revoir!